is how I sound without the microphone.
And this is how I sound with the microphone.
Hello everyone, welcome to Glow with Rinja. In this video we are going to review the Granaro S12 microphone. This is how I sound without the microphone.
And this is how I sound with the microphone. Let's get started with the unboxing and a full-fledged review. This microphone comes in a compact packaging. Once you open, you'll see there are two microphones. This one is with the foam windscreen. This is the receiver, and then this is the furry windscreen microphone. In this cute little box, you will find there are two extra windscreens. I'm going to later show you the difference between these two windscreens. Then you have the adapter. This is a C-type adapter. Then there's a 1-year warranty card which you have to activate by scanning the code within 30 days of buying the microphone. And finally, you have a user manual which you can go through to understand how this is used. Now let's see how you are going to connect the microphone. You have to attach the receiver to your phone and you will see both the lights are blinking. Now get one of your mic and press the switch key at the back for 3 seconds. Once the mic is connected, you will see a green light. You can also see that the receiver indicator has stopped blinking once your mic is connected. Now let's see how are you going to charge your microphones. You have to connect your USB to the adapter, and then you are not going to directly charge your microphone. You are going to charge it through your receiver. So first you will connect your mic to the receiver, and then there's a USB port. This is how you are going to charge your microphone. You will see a red light on your microphone when it's charging, and it will go off once it's done. Guys, now let's talk about the windscreen difference. This is the furry one and this is the foam one. You can use this one when you are creating content indoors. I mean, right now I'm creating a video inside my house, so I'm going to use this one. And when you want to create content outside where there is too much wind and there's lots of noise in your background, you can use the furry, or it's also called as the dead cat windscreen. So in this video, I'm definitely going to show you how the two windscreens perform and what is the major difference. You have to stick till the end of the video to find out the difference. Now let's test the different noise cancellation levels that we have. So right now I am shooting this video on second level of noise cancellation because there's a construction going on right in front of my window, so there's always noise in my background. That is the main reason I got this mic. So now let's try out the first level of noise cancellation using the foam windscreen. So how do you toggle through the noise cancellation levels? You have to click on this button once. So when you click on this power button for the first time, it will take you to the first level of noise cancellation. So you saw that I clicked on this power button once and this light, the green light, it blinked once. So that means we are on the first level of noise cancellation. Let's move on to the second level of noise cancellation. I'll click on the power button once and you will see that the green light will blink twice. Now we are on the second level of noise cancellation. Now let's move to the third level of noise cancellation. Again, you have to just click on the power button once and you will see that the green light blinks thrice. Now you are hearing me on the third level of noise cancellation. Now I'm connecting the other mic. So this is a dual channel S12 Granaro microphone. So you can connect two mics at a time. So I just pressed this power button for 3 seconds and now we are connected. Right now we are not using any noise cancellation. We'll just press this button once and we'll go to first level of noise cancellation. Right now you are hearing me at level 1 noise cancellation. You'll see this light blink twice. Right now you are hearing me at second level of noise cancellation using the dead cat windscreen. Let's move to the third level of noise cancellation. 2, 3. So now you can hear me at the third level of noise cancellation. So now you know how the two windscreens perform, the foam one and the fur one. Right now I am using both of them and both of them at the third level of noise cancellation. Please pardon any annoying noise that you can hear because right now both of them are connected and I'm holding them together. So now you know how both of them perform and now you know the difference. You can select which one you want, and it totally depends on your surrounding. If you are shooting indoors, you can shoot using this mic, and if you are shooting outdoors, you can shoot using this mic. Now if you want to switch on the reverb mode, you have to click on this button thrice continuously without waiting, then reverb mode will be activated. 2 3. I don't know, is this the reverb mode? So this is how the reverb mode sounds. And when you want to reset the reverb mode, you have to do the same thing again. You have to click this power button thrice. 1 2 3. Now talking about the compatibility, you can use this mic with your laptop iPhone if it is above 15, iPhone 15, because you need a C-type connector for it, and you can use it with any of your Android phones. So that's it for today's video, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this mic, and if you want to buy this mic, the link is in the description. You can click on the product and get one for yourself. Bye. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and don't forget to like the video.